Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are creating a click button or a button in Elementor. So what we do, edit any page using Elementor. You need to add. After that, add a section. You can put here the padding. Then after that, add here a button. After adding a button, then you can say, for example, change the link that contact us. After changing the link, you come here. For example, you link this one out to contact page, or you can say contact. It will load the contact. For example, this is my contact. After that, you update. After updating, you preview. So once you click on that button, it will take you to a page you have linked. For example, like this, it brings you to this page. So that's how you can create a link page, a link button. In case you have anything, please comment and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.